here's a property that is going to be for our rental program. So let's take a look. So this property is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 3-car garage. So 2 bedrooms here. This new build is a Jack and Jill bathroom that's shared with the 2nd bedroom. Brand new. It's actually not completed at this point in time. There's some finishing that needs to be done still, but the opportunity is there. If you don't qualify for traditional financing, you've been turned down by the banks, here's an opportunity for you to get into a brand new built home. Living room, dining room, and open kitchen. As you can see, it's still being finished up. Missing refrigerator to clean up to do, some finishing touches, but beautiful design. Shaker cabinets, porous countertops. And let's take a look at the main bedroom. In bathroom, tub, stand-up shower, and walk-in closet. Back out to the kitchen, stove, oven, dishwasher, pantry, the additional hall bathroom that goes out to the garage, laundry room here. Big one. And then an additional bedroom, the closet, and its own bathroom. So this could be for visitors or in-laws, family member that's staying. Then this leads out to the garage, 3-car garage, as we say. Yard. So if you're wondering if our rental program works for new construction, yes it does. There are some qualifiers to it, and we could talk about them one-on-one if this is an opportunity that you're looking for. You've been turned down by the banks, been told no, you don't qualify for various reasons. Could be credit, new job transfer, relocation, new business, haven't filed tax returns, I-10. There's opportunity for you to get into a brand new home today with a good job and a good down payment. So talk to you soon. Take care.